meron din tayong power rule. Today, I will discuss the power rule, one of the simplest and most commonly used differentiation rules. The power rule is used when differentiating function of the form. Tulad nito, y is equals to xn. Yan, xn. And kung saan yung n, pwede siya maging kahit anong number, positive, negative, any real number n, magiging positive, negative, or a function. The rule states that d over dx xn is equals to nx n minus 1. This means we bring down the exponent as a multiplier and subtract one of the original exponent. For example, ganito na siya. Y x5 derive y prime is equals to 5x4. Ito yung x5, i-derive natin siya na yung para yung 5 mapupunta siya sa front and binawasan siya ng 1, so magiging 4 exponent, 5x to the 4th power, ganun. And gagana rin ito sa mga negative exponents. For positive exponent, negative exponent, y is equals to x negative 3. Derive natin yan, magiging y prime is equals to negative 3x over 4. Ayan naman yung kanyang for negative exponents. And for for fraction exponent naman ganito. Fraction over x. So y is equals to x 1/2. 1/2 ilagay natin. And y prime 1/2 x 1/2. Nasasabi dito, the power rule is extremely important because many functions are built on powers of x, and it forms the foundation of more complex differentiation rules like chain rule and product rule. Ito yung product rule, pinakamadali siya pero importante siya sa lahat ng mga derivatives, ganyan.